Before buying a foldable rollator walker with a seat, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Most walkers claim to be comfortable and stable, but once you actually sit on them or use them outdoors, you realize the seat is too small, the wheels can't handle bumps, or the frame feels shaky. Let's fix that. Product number 1, HOMLAND Heavy Duty Walker. First up is the HOMLAND Foldable Rollator Walker in red. Right away, what stood out was the 350-pound weight capacity and the 8-inch wheels, bigger than most, which usually means better stability. Priced around $114, it sits in the mid to high range, but it's built like it means business. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The reinforced metal frame with double support bars isn't just marketing fluff. It actually reduces side-to-side sway when you're walking. That's huge if you've ever felt unsteady on uneven pavement. The adjustable seat and handles fit people from 47 to 66, so it works whether you're petite or tall. And the memory foam seat is wider than average, which makes a real difference if you plan to sit for more than a few minutes at a time. Plus, the 3-mode braking system gives you fine control, free roll, slow down, or full stop, so you're never caught off guard. Now, some people complained about the weight. 24 pounds isn't light, especially if you have to lift it into a car often. Here's the thing though, that weight comes from the reinforced frame, which is exactly what gives it that stable feel. If you can manage the lift, it's a trade-off that pays off in safety. Also, the red color is bold, which some love, but others might find too flashy. This is perfect for you if you need a durable, high-capacity walker for daily outdoor use and don't mind a bit of extra weight for added stability. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-lightweight or need to carry it upstairs frequently. For the build quality and safety features, it's a solid value. Product number 2, VOCIC Z21 All-Terrain Walker. Now, if HOMLAND's weight bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The VOCIC Z21 is a lightweight powerhouse at just 19.4 pounds, but don't let that fool you, it still supports up to 350 pounds. Priced at $101, it's one of the best value picks here. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 8-inch puncture-proof wheels are a game changer. Most walkers use 6-inch wheels that get stuck on cracks or grass, but these glide over bumps like they're nothing. The textured surface also helps on wet surfaces, no slipping on rainy days. The bionic arc seat is shaped to reduce hip pressure, which is a big deal if you have joint pain. And the 6-inch backrest is thicker and wider than most, so you actually feel supported when sitting. The dual height adjustment lets you tweak both seat and handles independently, which is rare and super helpful for finding your perfect fit. Now, some people complain that the aluminum frame feels less rigid than steel under max weight. Here's the thing though, VOCIC recommends staying under 330 pounds for long-term use, even though it's rated for 350. If you're near that limit, go with a steel frame. But for most seniors under that weight, the aluminum keeps it light without sacrificing daily performance. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, all-terrain walker with serious comfort upgrades and easy folding. Skip this one if you're over 330 pounds or need maximum frame rigidity. For the price and features, it's one of the smartest buys. Product number 3, Drive Medical Steel Frame Walker. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for indoor use in tight spaces. The Drive Medical Rollator is built with a steel frame, weighs 17.9 pounds, and has a compact design only 25.5 inches deep. While it doesn't have a listed price, it's typically mid-range and often on sale. If you want a reliable, no-frills walker that fits in small apartments and feels sturdy, this is a strong contender. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 7.5-inch wheels are smaller than the others, which makes them less ideal for rough outdoor terrain but perfect for smooth floors and tight turns at home. The steel frame gives that familiar, solid feel, no flex when you lean on it. The height adjustment lever is easy to use, and the padded seat folds down when not in use, saving space. Plus, the underseat pouch is actually usable, not too small, not flimsy. Now, some people complained about the lack of terrain versatility. Those 7.5-inch wheels struggle on gravel or grass. Here's the thing though, if you mostly walk indoors or on smooth sidewalks, that's not a problem. It's built for reliability, not adventure. Also, the red color is basic, and there's no extra cushioning like memory foam. This is perfect for you if you need a dependable, compact walker for home and light outdoor use. Skip this one if you plan to walk on uneven paths or need a more comfortable seat for long sits. It's a classic choice for a reason. Product number 4, VOCIC Z21 in Klein Blue. Now, if you like the VOCIC Z21 but want a more subtle look, this is the exact same model, just in Klein Blue instead of ruby red. Everything is identical: 350-pound capacity, 8-inch all-terrain wheels, bionic seat, dual height adjustment, and that 3-second fold. The price is the same at $101, and it's just as lightweight at 19.4 pounds. If you want all the performance of the red version but prefer a calmer color, this is your pick. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The color might seem minor, but for many seniors, a less flashy walker feels more dignified and blends in better. The blue is deep and professional, great if you're using it in public spaces or don't want to draw attention. All the functional benefits are the same: the thick waterproof seat, the reflective strips for night safety, and the 360 degrees rotating front wheels that make turning in tight spots effortless. Now, some people complained about the same aluminum frame concern as the red version, less rigid under heavy loads. Here's the thing though. Again, if you're under 330 pounds, you won't notice a difference in daily use. The weight savings make it easier to handle, which is often more important than marginal stiffness. This is perfect for you if you want the full VOCIC Z21 experience, but in a more understated color. Skip this one only if you prefer brighter colors or need maximum steel frame durability. Otherwise, it's the same excellent walker with a different paint job. Product number 5, Medline Budget Steel Walker. Finally, if you're watching your budget, the Medline Steel Rollator at $82 is the most affordable on this list. It supports 350 pounds, has a 16.5-pound steel frame, and comes in a deep burgundy. If you want a no-nonsense walker that's simple, strong, and won't break the bank, this one delivers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 6-inch wheels are smaller, so they're not ideal for rough terrain, but they roll smoothly on tile, carpet, and paved paths. The padded seat is 12 x 12 inches, standard size, but comfortable enough for short rests. The ergonomic brake handles are easy to grip, even with weak hands, and the push-up-to-brake design is intuitive. Plus, it folds flat quickly, making it great for car trunks or closet storage. Now, some people complained about the lack of seat adjustability. The height is fixed relative to the handles. Here's the thing though, if you're average height, it's likely fine. But if you're very tall or short, you might not get the perfect fit. Also, the smaller wheels mean you'll feel more bumps on uneven ground. This is perfect for you if you need a basic, reliable walker for indoor and light outdoor use on a tight budget. Skip this one if you need adjustable seating or plan to walk on gravel, grass, or cracked sidewalks. For under $85, it's a solid entry-level option. So which one should you pick? If you need maximum durability and don't mind the weight, go with HOMLAND. For lightweight all-terrain performance, VOCIC Z21 is hard to beat. Pick the color you like. Drive Medical is great for tight spaces, and Medline wins on price. All 5 are foldable, have seats, and support seniors well. Just match the right one to your lifestyle. Thanks for watching and stay steady out there.